In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Canva design into your Squarespace website, making sure your site looks as stunning and professional as possible. Let's dive straight in and get that design up and running on your site in no time. To start off, you'll need to create your design in Canva, whether it's a vibrant infographic, a stunning photo layout, or a sleek business presentation. Ensure your design is exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with your creation, head over to the top right corner of Canva and look for the Share option. Clicking this will give you a variety of options for sharing and exporting your design. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose the Embed option. You'll see a window pop up with an iframe code. This code is crucial because it allows your design to be placed directly onto your Squarespace site. Click on Copy to get the entire iframe code copied to your clipboard. Now keep this handy because you'll be needing it for the next steps. Now, switch over to your Squarespace site where we will be embedding this Canva design. Once you're logged into Squarespace, navigate to the page where you'd like to display your new design. If you're not already in edit mode, click on Edit at the top of the page to start making changes. After entering edit mode, look for the option to add block. Here you'll need to select the code block from the list that appears. In the code block you will see a space to input your code. This is where the iframe code comes in. Simply paste it right here. Take a second to ensure everything is correct. Having copied the code earlier should help maintain its integrity. With the code in place, you should see a preview of your Canva design directly within the code block area. It's a handy way of making sure everything looks right before you proceed. After that, go ahead and save your changes. It's important to remember that any changes you make won't be visible to your site visitors until you take this step. Once saved, your Canva design is